Dr. Ngo is the coming excellence Tango. As Mangare wakili waye Okoni family na chache tutangaze he'll be the candidate y'Omugusi. Na endo Omugusi onde wenzipi ogotomwa hoja gotosari. Onde wenzipi ogotomwa hoja kumuruga enyombe ya Matiang'i. Makito wateba. Ashindo tayo. Atiana mara ipi Omugusi abwate candidate yemo. The Kisii community has one senator candidate in Nairobi, has one presidential candidate called Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And if we succeed, it is a pride of Omugusi. Let us be proud of our own. Let us support our own.